Hello students, good morning. Again, here your science lecture is there, and today we are going to start our fifth lesson. Name of the lesson it is Substances in the Surroundings. In this lesson we are studying their states also and their properties also. First point of this lesson it is change of state of substance. You know that there are three states of the substance. Any substance it is present either in solid state or in liquid or in gaseous state. So how there is a changes are occur in this state, let us see. So here certain questions are there related to this activity. Take pieces of wax in a bowl and heat them on a candle or spirit lamp. How do the pieces of wax change? As there is increase in temperature, as there is a strong heat it will provide to that bowl, that solid pieces of that wax it get changed into the liquid state slowly. So initial state was the solid. Later on they convert into the liquid. What did it get converted into? Now keep the same bowl in cold water. What happens? If this bowl we kept in a cold water, then whatever the liquid condition, it get again convert into the solid. That means when a substance changes from one state to another, the process is called change of state of the substance. So here certain examples are there, certain substances are there: spirit, camphor, petrol, ghee, coconut oil, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride which is also called as the navsagar. Okay, so which one freeze in winter? इसमें से विंटर सीजन में ऑटोमेटिकली नेचुरली फ्रीज कौन से सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल घी, कोकोनट ऑयल, they get freeze into the winter. Which liquid have you seen change into vapor? कौन से ऐसे लिक्विड है जो वेपर में कन्वर्जन होते हैं? स्पिरिट है, पेट्रोल है. यस, they are convert into the vapor. Which solid directly change into the gaseous state? Ammonium chloride, that is the navsagar, naphthalene balls or camphor. Naphthalene balls देखो in diagram 5.2, in that pictures various substances are there. Here naphthalene balls are there. These naphthalene balls आपने देखा होगा कि जैसे कबर्ड में या कहीं पे आपने अगर रखा है naphthalene balls, automatically after a certain days their size get decrease. That means convert into the vapor. That is the gaseous state. So what is the conclusion of that? The state of a substance changes if it is heated or cooled. Every substance in our surroundings is found in either the solid, liquid or gaseous state. This is the conclusion of this activity. Table is there. In that tabular form, certain points are considered. The changes observed in solid, in liquid and gases we have to understand. For example, first one, a piece of iron. A piece of iron, it is an example. Okay. Shape, they have shape their own. आयरन के टुकड़े अगर आप देखेंगे तो उनको उनका शेप होता है. Retains shape no matter how it is kept. Volume, what is about the volume? Has definite volume. That solids, that is a piece of iron, have definite volume. Solid like sugar, sand, when poured on a flat surface form a heap. Second examples, water, spirit or oil. They are liquids. They are liquids. Shape does not have a shape of its own, takes the shape of the container. Water को उसका कुछ shape होता है नहीं. If you are put it in the glass, उसको शेप कौन सा आ जाएगा? ग्लास का शेप आ जाएगा. अगर आप उसको प्लेन ट्रे में रखोगे तो उसको शेप कैसा आएगा, प्लेन ट्रे का जो शेप है वैसा शेप आएगा, उनका ओरिजिनल डेफिनाइट शेप नहीं होता है। व्हाट इज अबाउट वॉल्यूम? इट हैज़ अ स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम। वॉल्यूम इट इज स्पेसिफिक, 10 ml 20 ml, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि 20 ml वाटर इफ देयर इज इन ग्लास, इफ वी pour दैट वाटर इनटू अ पॉट तो वो 20 ml का 30 ml हो जाएगा क्या? नो, इट हैज़ इट्स ओन स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम। occupies definite portion of the container, spreads on a flat surface on pouring, flows downwards along a slope. Second thing it is, they just spread flatly. वाटर अगर आप नीचे गिरा दोगे तो वो फ्लैट सरफेस पे फ्लैटली क्या हो जाता है, स्प्रेड आउट हो जाता है, एंड इट फ्लोज डाउनवर्ड्स अलोंग द स्लोप। थर्ड वन एग्जाम्पल, इट इज एयर, विच स्टेट? गैसेस। They does not have a shape of its own, occupies all the available space. Whatever the available space is there, it get accumulated by the air. About volume, they does not have a definite volume. Why? On changing the pressure on a gas in a closed container, its volume also changes. In closed container, बंद कंटेनर में अगर हम अंडर प्रेशराइज्ड अगर गैस को रखेंगे तो उसका वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है। सो दीज आर द सर्टन पॉइंट्स, शेप, अबाउट वॉल्यूम एंड with different examples. Next point it is heat and change of physical state. So here changes of the state. On heating, solid may convert into liquid. On heating, liquid will convert into gas. Reverse अगर जाएंगे तो gas on cooling get converted into liquid and liquid on cooling converted into the solid. Okay, understand this table properly. Here diagram 5.3, the thermometer. You observe the thermometer. देखा है आपने, डॉक्टर के पास कॉमनली थर्मोमीटर, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि हमको फीवर है तो डॉक्टर सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, दे मेजर अवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर विद द हेल्प ऑफ थर्मोमीटर. ओके, so what is the use of thermometer? How temperature can be measured through the thermometer? When a substance gets heat, it becomes warm and then hot. जैसे हम हीट करेंगे सब्सटेंस को, वो कैसे होते जाएगा, वार्म अप and then it change into the hot. We put our hand or finger in the water to judge how hot it is, but that is not accurate measure. Besides, if the substance is very hot, we could get scalded. जैसे वाटर गैस पे रखा है तो आपको अगर बोला जाए कि देखो वाटर कितना गर्म हुआ है, तो आप उसमें फिंगर इंसर्ट करके बोल सकते हैं क्या कि इतने टेम्परेचर का वाटर गर्म हुआ है? नो. अगर बहुत बॉईल हो गया है वाटर तो हम अपने फिंगर उसमें इंसर्ट भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज देयर टू मेजर दिस टेम्परेचर? थर्मोमीटर. सो अ थर्मोमीटर इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर. Degree Celsius is the unit of measuring temperature. Underline these lines. What is the unit? Degree Celsius. In bracket write down this type. Degree Celsius, it is the unit of measuring temperature. There are several types of thermometers available. Nowadays, digital thermometers are frequently used. This type of thermometer nowadays we use. Okay, so if you observe the structure of thermometer, here mercury is there. Okay, mercury क्या है? It is a metal but it is in liquid state. तो जैसे ही इस पे क्या है, मार्किंग्स है, तो जैसे ही टेम्परेचर मेजर करने के लिए थर्मोमीटर हम अंडर आर्म्स या फिर टंग के नीचे रखते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा, ड्यू टू द टेम्परेचर दैट मर्क्यूरी इट गेट एक्टिव. लिक्विड है ना वो, तो उसको हीट मिल जाएगी तो वो क्या हो जाएगी, डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगी. और जैसे ये मार्किंग जहाँ तक बढ़ेगा सपोज यहाँ पे आके बढ़ गया 30-40 डिग्री, दैट मीन्स सपोज यहाँ पे आके अगर ये मार्किंग रुक गया रेड कलर का, देन योर बॉडी टेम्परेचर इट इज 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 100 Fahrenheit. Okay, let's try this. Here another one activity is there. Take a thermometer from a laboratory. The bulb at its lower end is filled with mercury. As I told you, bottom of this thermometer here mercury is there. The mercury rises to a certain level in the capillary tube above the bulb. You will see a scale next to the mercury column. Reading the figure near the level of mercury tells us the temperature of air around the bulb of the thermometer. Suppose हमको अभी टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्ड करना है. हमने क्या किया, एक ग्लास कंटेनर में हमने आइस क्यूब्स लिए हैं. Hold the thermometer in water so that the bulb is completely immersed in the water and read the temperature of the water. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, bulb. What is the meaning of bulb? Here you can observe in this diagram. A bulging area is there na, bottom side, it is called as the bulb. Inside that a red color, that is the mercury is there, as I told you. So immerse that bulb into that ice cubes and read out the temperature of water. Repeat the activity taking some hot water into one vessel and cold water or ice in another and note down the temperature. तो जैसे जैसे आइस का टेम्परेचर तो क्या हो जाएगा, कम आ जाएगा. यस, सॉलिड आइस इट इज इन सपोज -डिग्री में आ जाएगा. बट आफ्टर दैट जैसे जैसे वाटर जो है, मतलब आइस जो है वाटर में कन्वर्ट होता जाएगा, टेम्परेचर इट विल राइजेस. अगर इसको हम हीट प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो ये जो प्रोसेस है टेम्परेचर राइज होने की, ये थोड़ी सी फास्ट होगी. वाई? बिकॉज वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग एक्सटर्नली हीट टू दैट आइस क्यूब्स. One table is there again. Some some examples are there and temperature of that thing is there. Boiling water. How much temperature is there? 100 degree Celsius. जैसे ही वाटर बॉईल होता है, गैस पे अगर वाटर रखते हैं, जैसे ही वो बॉईल होना शुरू कर देता है, at that time if we measure the temperature of that water, it is 100 degree Celsius. Freezing water 0 degree Celsius. Air, that is the winter night air, it is less than 15 degree Celsius. Air in summer afternoon, it is more than 35 degree Celsius. Inside a fridge, how much temperature it is? Less than 5 degree Celsius. Inside the freezer, fridge में और freezer में फ़र्क है. Freezer, that is the ice it form into the freezer. सो टेम्परेचर कितना है उसका? इट इज़ लेस दैन -18 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एंड बॉडी टेम्परेचर, हमारा बॉडी का टेम्परेचर जो है वो कितना होता है? अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. रूम टेम्परेचर भी अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इट इज बॉइलिंग. वाटर इज कंटिन्यूअसली इवेपोरेटिंग. Evaporation, that means water get converted into vapors, that is called as the evaporation. We know that water spilled on the floor dries up slowly on its own. Summer season में तो क्या होता है, water it get dry. What happens when water boils? As water gets heated, its temperature increases and it evaporates at a faster and faster rate. Here diagram 5.5 boiling of water is there. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया था, वाटर कंटेनर में लिया था, उसका टेम्परेचर कितना है? 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एज वी प्रोवाइड हीट टू दैट वाटर, देयर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेस एंड इट रीच टू 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अगेन फर्दर हीटिंग विल बी देयर. Again there is increase in temperature and there is a boiling of water starts. The temperature it is 100 degree Celsius. When bubbles they rises, जैसे bubbles form होता है, आप वाटर बॉईल करते समय अगर आपने देखा होगा तो बबल्स क्या हो जाते हैं? फॉर्म हो जाते हैं. So when there is a bubbles are formed, and that time boiling of water it starts. At sea level, pure water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is the boiling point of water. Underline to this line. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. It is the boiling point of the water. Okay. Vapor cools. It is converted into water again. This process it is called as the condensation process. Condensation यानी क्या? The water vapors जो form हो गए हैं, it get convert into water again. In liquid, it get change. This process it is called as the condensation process. Condensation of steam also takes place at 100 degrees Celsius. It means that the boiling point and condensation point of water are one and the same. Okay. Next part we will continue in next lecture. Thank you.